Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to respond to an email that you received from Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then log into your email address that you have used while signing up for your Craigslist account. Once you log in, you will be taken into the inbox page where you will see all of your emails that you have received. Now, apart from automated emails that you receive from Craigslist, you can open up the emails that you have received from other individuals and you will see the reply button. Once you click on the reply button, you will be able to post your counter offer. Once you enter your response message, you can simply click on the send button and this will send your counter offer to the person that contacted you to begin with. Then all you need to do is wait for their response once again. And through this process, you can go back and forth about your ad and reach to a conclusion together. And there you have it. That is how you can respond to emails that you received from Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.